During long journeys on a motorway or A roads, cruise control can be incredibly helpful and convenient, as can a speed limiter. The latter is particularly helpful going through the many restricted speed zones up and down the country. Fortunately, your new car is equipped with both, and they can be operated whilst keeping your hands firmly on the steering wheel. Let's take a look. This switch turns both the limiter and the cruise control off and on. Switches to the rear increase and decrease the desired speed setting, as well as allowing you to set it. The button at the end of the stalk enables the pausing and resumption of the speed limiter, using a previously stored speed setting. And finally, the buttons on the top and bottom are for speed memorization prompt. Moving away from the controls and onto the digital display, there are a couple of things that you need to be aware of. This sign indicates that the speed limiter is on. The same sign, but slightly lighter, indicates that it's on but paused. You then have the sign that indicates the speed limiter being selected, a programmed speed value, and a speed suggested by the speed limit recognition and recommendation system. When the vehicle is descending, it may exceed the programmed speed, so please be aware of this.